So this is Kaboom for the Atari. It's a game, great game. When it works. Okay. Well, the controller's clearly broken, but that's okay because we have this this fancy Wii Nunchuk here. So the thing is, these Atari paddle controllers, they're pretty and simple inside. There's a potentiometer which works like a volume control. So it's a knob that you can spin around, and that changes the voltage that the Atari is detecting across the paddle. And then there's also one button here, which when it's working, you push it and you see the response in the game. And so the Nunchuk has that also. It has a button you can push, and you can rotate like this. And so we'd like to be able to use that to control the Atari. And the tricky part is getting this to control the voltage. So we're using our Arduino here, and it is so it comes with these great libraries, one of which lets you talk to the Nunchuk. And then we're also using something called the Digital Potentiometer, which we can set values for we can digitally control what resistance we want, and then that lets us control. We should be able to emulate an Atari paddle using that. So let's try that and see if we have better luck than we did with the paddle. So that's because we're powering the Arduino through the Atari joystick port right now. So it messes up the Atari when you plug it in. Anyway, it's working now. So well, this worked a minute ago. Oh, that's not plugged in. That's what's wrong. Okay, there we go. So now that we got all our connections back, you can see that it's a little bit twitchy, but you can rotate this and move the little bomber people on the screen. And so when I push the button, it starts dropping, and I'll do my best to play. It's not terribly responsive. So anyway, that is using the Wii Nunchuk to act as an Atari paddle.